In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Canva Support. If you're dealing with a billing issue, a team access problem, or a technical error inside Canva, it can slow everything down fast. The good news is that Canva has an official help center built right into your account, and that's the safest place to get proper support. Instead of searching around online for contact details, start from your Canva dashboard while you're logged in. This helps make sure you're using the official support route connected to your account. Once you're on the Canva home dashboard, look toward the top right area of the screen. You should see the main controls there near the Create a Design button. In that section, look for the question mark icon labeled Help or Help Center. Click on it once to open Canva's support area. If you don't see that icon right away, click your profile picture instead and choose Help Center from the menu. Depending on your account view, Canva may open a side panel or launch the Help Center in a new tab. When the Help Center appears, don't waste time scrolling through everything if you already know the type of issue you have. Focus on the problem categories shown on the page. Choose the one that best matches your situation, such as billing and plans, teams and groups management, account settings, or technical issues. This step matters because selecting the correct category helps route your request to the right support team and can make the response more relevant. After that, scroll all the way to the bottom of the category page. This is where many people stop too early, but the key option is often near the bottom. Look for a link or button that says something like, "Still need help," "Contact support," or "Get help from our team." Click that to move beyond the standard help articles and open Canva's direct contact form. Now you're ready to submit your request. In the message box, write a clear and specific description of the issue. Try to explain what happened, when it started, and what you've already tried. The clearer your message is, the easier it is for the support team to understand the problem quickly. If the issue is billing related, you may also see options to choose the relevant invoice from a drop-down menu. When everything is filled out, click Submit or Send Message. Your request will be added to Canva's support queue, and you should receive a confirmation by email with a tracking reference for your case. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.